Welcome to Gear Roamer. Today we're getting an early look at the 2027 Nissan Rogue, a full redesign that promises bold styling, new powertrain options, and a leap in tech. In this video, we'll walk through pricing expectations, performance specs, interior updates, and the features you need to know. Let's get into it. The 2027 Rogue represents a major overhaul for Nissan's compact SUV, bringing fresh styling, reworked packaging, and new drivetrain choices. One of the biggest changes is the introduction of Nissan's e-Power hybrid system for the US market. Unlike a conventional hybrid, the gas engine doesn't directly drive the wheels but instead acts as a generator, while an electric motor delivers the power to the road. This should mean smoother acceleration, quieter driving, and better efficiency. At the same time, Nissan is expected to keep offering a traditional gasoline-powered version, giving buyers the choice of familiar performance or new tech. Early reports suggest pricing will start around $31,000 for the base model, which is a modest increase over today's Rogue. Pricing will scale up as you move through trims, with AWD, the hybrid system, and premium features adding to the cost. Expect a familiar lineup of base, mid, and high-end trims, and possibly some special editions. At the top end, fully equipped models will likely push past $40,000, putting the Rogue right in the middle of the compact SUV segment. When it comes to performance, the current Rogue runs on a 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder that makes 201 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque. That engine is paired with a CVT transmission and offers both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. For 2027, tweaks to improve efficiency and responsiveness are likely. But the real star is the new e-Power system. Because the electric motor drives the wheels, you get instant torque and smoother response, while the gas engine works quietly in the background to keep the battery charged. Nissan claims this setup should bring up to 15% better highway efficiency, lower emissions, and a quieter ride. While exact numbers like 0 to 60 or horsepower haven't been confirmed yet, the focus will clearly be on responsive torque and refined driving. Inside, the 2027 Rogue is expected to get a full refresh. Look for a larger infotainment touchscreen, a fully digital gauge cluster on higher trims, and upgraded connectivity features like wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and over-the-air software updates. Materials and layout are getting more premium, with cleaner surfaces, new seat designs, and better cargo flexibility. Even though the Rogue stays a 5-seater, rear seat comfort and cargo space are being improved to make it a better all-around family SUV. Safety has always been a strong point for Nissan, and the new Rogue is expected to take it further. ProPilot Assist, lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and enhanced blind spot monitoring will all be part of the package, with more features becoming standard across trims. Expect the Rogue to make smarter use of cameras and sensors, and even allow updates over time to improve driver assistance. What are the highlights? The 2027 Nissan Rogue delivers a bold new look, a much-anticipated hybrid system, and a more upscale interior. The e-Power system in particular could make the Rogue stand out, giving drivers the feel of an EV without the need to plug in. On the flip side, there are still some questions, like how the hybrid will perform in real-world driving, how much it will cost compared to rivals, and whether buyers will embrace a less traditional setup. Competitors already offer proven hybrids and plug-ins, so Nissan needs to nail both performance and value to stay competitive. Overall, the 2027 Nissan Rogue looks ready to re-establish itself as a major player in the compact SUV market. If you're interested in modern tech, better efficiency, and a design that feels fresh and muscular, this is an SUV you'll want to keep an eye on. That's our full look at the upcoming 2027 Nissan Rogue. Which version do you prefer? The tried and true gas setup or the new e-Power hybrid? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this preview, make sure to hit like, subscribe to Gear Roamer, and ring the bell so you don't miss our full review when the Rogue officially launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next drive.